Hey everybody, it's Sam. I'm just playing. What is up, everybody? Welcome to Trades. We give technical analysis on different stocks in the stock market, as well as potential buy, hold, or sell opinions on these given stocks. I'd like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor nor expert, so take what I say with a grain of salt. Let's get into the video. Today, my friends, since we are looking at a little bit of a rough patch here in the market, I wanted to give us a little bit of a recap and show you guys how the team has done so far since we started the channel up on December 16th of 2020. So, I am not smart enough to put together a crazy Excel spreadsheet like this, but what I do have is a friend of mine over at the Discord. His name is James. Man, show some love to James in the comment section here with some gorillas or some whiskey emojis, because he spent a lot of time compiling this, and I want to share his work with everybody. So, essentially what he did is he put together a compiled list of all of the stocks that we have covered here on the channel from the beginning of December 16th, 2020, up until now. And what he's done is he's shown the exact gains that we've had on every single one of these plays. So if we just do some quick math, 581, we have covered what would be 76 different stocks here on the channel. And he's shown us exactly how much money or how much gain we've had on every single one of these stocks. So I wanted to run through these because something that I take a lot of pride in on the channel is that I don't do this by myself. Sometimes I watch YouTubers that I can blatantly see what they're doing is they're taking plays from their comment section, their subscribers, and they're taking the credit for it. And I will never do that because I don't do this alone, my friends. And what I want to point out to you is that by working together on this channel and this community, we have compiled some crazy numbers. So what you can see here is there's two stocks that were not profitable. We had CYTH, which I actually, had said don't invest in this. It was a warning video. And then LMFA as well. I said this is another chase play, and I don't recommend people get into this. I told people not to chase this when it was running up a crazy amount. I got asked by a lot of people to say, hey, Trey, can I buy into this? Should I buy into this? Can you make a video? And I advised against it. But nonetheless, I want to walk everybody through up until today, obviously, when we have this major pullback. This was as of yesterday, how strong of a market we've been sitting in. And I want to show you all the different plays that we've done well. So, as you can see here, the gain bar, what we have is in green, any gain that was over 100%. So what I want to do is run through all these and show you how many 100% gain days we had by working together as a team. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 different 100% plus gainers in the last 2 months here on the channel, my friends. So that is solid. 36 total 100% or more gains out of 75. That is nearly half, my friends. So you've been crushing it together. We have been doing absolutely beautiful. And I'll tell you what, all that I do is I look at the research, right? I look at the fundamental analysis. I look at the technical analysis. You guys do the same thing. You present me all this information, right? And by working together, we have found these plays that have just been crushing. What has been our top gain? Our top gain so far out of every single stock in the market, believe it or not, has been Zomedica. Zomedica has been a 630% gain stock. I covered this for the first time when it was at 25 cents. And that would have been on January 4th of 2021. I said, guys, I love what's going on right here with Zomedica. I think it's got a lot of opportunity to do some good things. It has been up 630% so far. That has been a huge grand slam for us, my friends. So be proud of yourselves, pat yourselves on the back. And then we've got OCGN. I actually covered this way before the craze. I said, guys, if they can really capitalize on their COVID vaccine situation, and of course, this is where you guys' due diligence comes into play as well, and finding the possibilities, because I'm not going to own every stock in here. I don't run an ETF, but that one is up 564% as well. And I covered that back when it was $1.92. I said, guys, if they capitalize on their COVID vaccine and then get that to commercialize worldwide, you can see what the effect is going to be. It actually ran up higher than $15.93, but that was what the price was on the day that we created the spreadsheet, right? So, absolutely insane runner. BNGO we covered when it was $1.68. We covered JAGX back when that was at 72 cents. We covered Mara back when that was $9.47. Tomorrow when it was 947, I said, guys, if crypto does well, if blockchain takes off, you're going to see this be a huge home run play. I honestly wish that I'd looked into Riot as well, but I haven't. I can't take credit for that. We can't take credit for that. But hey, that's how she goes. And we still got into those plays. So AGTC has done well so far. Of course, we have this crazy bearish market pullback that's happening right now. HCMC we called back when that was at 0.0008. We actually got in late to that, but we still experienced a crazy run up. AMC, as you can see, has done very well. We got into that back when it was 483. So for everybody out there that says I just got into AMC for clout, that was not the case. I got into that way before. I shouldn't say way before, but a couple days before Wall Street Bets actually started pushing it because I saw the same exact potential. Bile, 690% gain. We got into that play back when it was, oh wait, no. Naked. My bad. We got into Naked when that was at 52 cents, right? I don't particularly like how that stock is, but we had the nice setup. We had a pretty insane short interest. That's at 297. So you guys can see here how insanely done we have well. How insanely well we have done. This little column right here, what it's telling you is whether it's just finished or whether it's open, right? Saying that I have got out of that stock. There are quite a few that I have been done with, but there are quite a few that are still open. So IDEX still open, right? That's a play that's still rocking. We've got NEO still rocking. We've got AAL, American Airlines, still rocking. And American Airlines actually had a really crazy run up as well, but that's the price that it's currently sitting at if you were not to sell, right? You'd still be up 40%, which is very, very solid. Not bad at all. And then this right here, this column tells you the profit per day per share. So since we got into value back, what would have been on December 16th of 2020, you'd be up 30 cents per share per day, which is, I would take those numbers any day of the week. That'd be a solid gain. What has been our greatest upside here so far? If we look at Fubo, and I think this number might actually be incorrect. Yeah, so that number is not right. We're definitely not up $22.29 a day, but nonetheless, you guys get the idea here. We have done extremely well here on the channel, and I wanted to present you guys with exactly how freaking awesome this community is, because this is awesome. I do not want to take credit for this whatsoever, right? We do this together as a team. I've said that time and time again, and we have been crushing these plays, and we're going to continue to crush these plays. So what's my reasoning for making this? It's not to brag. It's so that we can take a step back and realize, hey, the market in a long-term picture, if you nickel and dime it, which has been my strategy and our strategy here on the channel the entire time that we've been doing this, right? If you nickel and dime the market, you can really turn some nasty profits if you just have some patience, keep some perspective, and realize, hey, sometimes these day-to-day fluctuations don't really matter in the grand scheme of things. So what's your takeaway from this, right? Your takeaway should be that macroscopically over time, if you pick good plays, right, you find fundamentally strong companies with great news catalysts, great technical setups, right, you're going to be able to find some absolute nasty slams. And we've done that. We're going to keep doing that, guys. And this bear market that's approaching, right, I'm doing these videos back to back so you can see, right, that this bear market is just setting us up for the opportunity to do exactly this again. So, two takeaways. My first takeaway is working together, we can do so much more than we can do by ourselves. Apes alone weak, Apes together strong. You know, you ever seen the movie Planet of the Apes? I love that trilogy. Favorite movie trilogy of all time. Easily. Second takeaway is this bear market is just giving us an opportunity to capitalize on these gains even more than we did before, right? We're going to be able to get back into these at cheap prices that we haven't seen for a minute. So if you've already locked in profits, you're going to be able to rinse and repeat and do this exact same run-up all over again, right? So that's beautiful. I do not care that we're in a bear market, right? I'm taking this opportunity to dollar cost average down and get into my plays for cheap as cheap gets so that we can capitalize on these long-term and mid-term and swing trading opportunities all over again. So that's what I have for the video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to give everybody a pat on the back. If you were rocking your portfolio, if you've been getting some crazy gains, I want to see what you've been doing in the comment section down below. But you guys needed to see that. You guys have been crushing. So if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like. It really does help support the channel. Consider subscribing if you'd like to see more content like this. Lastly, I have an affiliate link in the description box down below for Webull. This is version 4 for the desktop. Great platform that allows you to start trading at 4 a.m. in the pre-market. If you use my link, you get 2 free stocks with a $100 deposit. I'll receive a free stock. Great way to support the channel, my friends. And if you're not interested, that is totally fine. I just appreciate your support by taking the time to watch my videos. So that's what I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching, my friends, and I will see you all next time. Peace.